Hello my friends and welcome back. On today's video my friend, I want to bring you guys along so you guys can see what a typical weekday looks like for me. I love to start my morning with a walk, okay? Power walk, and sometimes I do a little running here and there depending on my needs. Now, I also like to prep my dinners before I head to work. It just makes my life so easy when I come back in the evening to start dinner for the family. I typically leave the house around 8:30, drop the girls to school and head to my office. And this is why I like to start my mornings with some form of exercise. I am mentally and physically prepared for my day. I work for a commercial cleaning franchise and I've been doing this for the past 25 years and I love every minute of this industry. I've met so many great people through the years and I can't complain, my friends. I am very blessed I am here. This is my office and I spend a lot of time in my office, and I say this all the time. We spend, or at least I'm going to speak for myself, we spend so much time at work. So I like to make my office comfortable, like a space at home. I have my essential oils, and of course I have my diffuser. And yes, I have a Victoria's Secret spray. Sometimes I might have a presentation right after lunch, and I don't want to walk into the conference room smelling like food. So this is my office. I am homebound, my friends, and happy to head home and relax. When I get home, one of the things I really like to do is cozy up my space. And if you guys notice, when I leave the house in the morning, my kitchen is ready for dinner in the afternoon. Everything is in its place. So you know what? I like to cozy up my space, but I also like to get comfortable. Okay, so I like to turn my lights on the porch, because generally after dinner I will probably sit there and enjoy a glass of wine to end my day. Another thing I like to do is light all my candles. And yes, my friends, I have candles everywhere. Another thing I like to do is open my zebra blinds. And let me say this, it's so beautiful in the evenings because of course we got the patio in the back and we got all the ambient lights and all that good stuff. So it's nice. I think for me, I can be cooking and I can look outside as well. And it's nice. That's just me, my friends. So yes, I open all of my blinds. Then of course, my friends, I start a dinner. Okay, so gotta find my apron, and it's funny, I'm looking at my aprons because sometimes I use them and I put them right back. So I need to go through my aprons and throw some of those in the washer. Prepping in the mornings to me is key because I serve dinner at 7. That actually means that by 8 o'clock we are cleaning up and by 9 we are relaxing. So it is key for me, and maybe you guys should try this sometime. Tonight I am going to be preparing, actually just throw a steak on the grill. I'm going to prepare this delicious salad and some roasted potatoes. Simple, guys. I love buying these salads to go. A lot of the time, you don't even have to wash your salads because it's already done. So you just open your bag and you put whatever you fancy. So I'm actually here looking in my refrigerator to see what I can add to this salad and make it exciting. Another thing, my friends, I like to do is play some bossa nova on my TV. Usually YouTube have some excellent channels and just a great music. I love it. This is part of my preparing dinner and dining experience every evening. And yes, my friends, I do have a glass of wine with dinner. Okay, so while I cook, I'll sip on some wine, some red wine, my favorite. My salad here is ready, my friends. Cheers. And it's gonna go in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna prepare my roasted potatoes now. Now, the same with the potatoes, or may I say the same with the salad. I like to buy my bag salads because it's easier. I don't have to do nothing but put them in a bowl and prepare a delicious salad. Now, with the potatoes, it's the same. I actually like to buy red potatoes. So all you do is clean them really well. You don't have to peel the potato. So you save some time there. So red potatoes is a favorite here in my house. And I prepare my roasted potato very simple: salt, pepper, a little garlic, and onion powder. Sometimes I add a little sazon for that extra little taste and coloring. You can play with this, my friends. You can add whatever you please to your potatoes. If you want to go simple, salt and pepper. Hey, that's all good, my friends. Okay, I do add a little bit of oil, and that's about it, my friends. They go in the oven at 400 degree for about 40 minutes. And that's quick, my friends. And I have to say, dinner probably took, because I prep ahead, at least the steak. I want to say about 45 minutes, my friends. It actually took the longest, the potatoes. So as soon as the potatoes were ready, I was already working with my steak outside. So hey, listen, 45 minutes to an hour, that to me is winning. So my friends, while my potato are roasting, I am going to work on the steak. But let me show you guys around. Look how beautiful and cozy it is out here. And the weather lately here in South Florida has been perfect. Not too cold, not too warm. I think this evening was probably 70, in the 70s? 70, I want to say. It was beautiful, just clear evening and just delicious, the weather, my friends. Well, my friends, dinner is about ready. I hope this video inspire you to prep ahead and enjoy the everyday. We work hard, but we can still look forward to coming home and making a meal for our family or just ourselves. I love romanticizing my day to day. Whenever I can, my friends, it's good for my mental health. Don't forget to subscribe, my friends, and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.